So original part is what this customer putting. So this is the bearing. It's the same part number for the right and left. If you guys can see it. If you can't, call the dealer. A few more pieces. The retainer and everything he brought original. This guy usually Honda packs it in a green bag like that. One thing I want to tell you guys, you could put this bearing in better than the dealer, but check this out. This is metal, it doesn't attach. This side it does attach. Okay, you can feel there's a magnetic force here. This is what your ABS sensor is reading. So since our ABS sensor is on the other side, so we're gonna face this down, okay? So the metal magnet side gotta be, the ABS sensor's gotta read that, okay? So don't make that mistake. I've seen that mistake happen. It's a big little tip here I give you guys. So oil, go all around it, make sure your hands are clean. And magnetic side facing down towards the ABS sensor, and make sure the ABS sensor is not going to get hit with the bearing that I'm using on the bottom, and it's got to be, the other bearing can't go through the bore here either, okay? So this is looking good, okay? A lot of people will disagree, so I like to use this force right in the middle right here. If you want, this is from the old bearing, and I just want this machine to have just a perfect amount of force right in the center, okay? Right in the center. So pay attention to it, move it around if you need to. And I still think I need to move this baby around. But once the machine touches down, like the eagle has landed, that's when you know where everything is at. So right now, this thing needs to go. There you go. That's where I wanted it at. Okay. Time for my bearings to be pressed like butter, okay? Sometimes I see my bearings are kind of a little bit off, but then it goes boom, it goes right in, which is reasonable, okay? But if you got your bearing like at almost like 40 degrees off, it's not gonna work out properly. So again, safety glasses, gotta have. It's going in pretty smooth, okay? Just the jack here is kind of slow. There you go. Sometimes if it's off a little bit, it will straighten itself off. A lot of people say putting that right in the center damages the bearing. No, it doesn't. You can go put the other bearing on the top, and then you will need a perfect slot. But there you go. It's done deal. Bearing is in. We gotta put the ring here. Then we're gonna have to put the metal plate in the back. Well, we'll put the metal plate at the last. Retainer here, and then the hub. So let's go back to our spot there. You know what, we'll just do it right here.